how to set a newly installed Messages app as the default Messages app. Now this is going to be for either Oppo phones or Realme phones. So let's say you installed an app from the Play Store. What you're going to do is look for it. It's either going to be on the home screen area or go into the app drawer where all the apps are usually there. So when you see the app that you just installed, you are going to tap on it. So find it, and let's say it's this one here, for example, like this one. I'll tap on it one time and you'll see that when I do this, this is going to pop up for me. It'll show me the current selected Messages app and I'm going to select the one I want. So I'll go to this one here, select it, and set as default. Now when you do this, it'll prompt you to allow permission access to all the other features, to read messages and all of that stuff. So you'll have to accept them all, go through them all. Then once you're done, you should be able to use it as your default app. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.